Good morning, investors and traders. And in today's segment, we'll be talking about gold, meaning what is next for gold, given that it is sitting at 5 months high. Are we going to see more higher prices or will we see a retracement? Before I discuss anything like that, it is important for me to go through this disclaimer, which is right in front of you. Now, as always, we'll pull out the MT4 platform and we will begin the conversation by looking at the daily time frame. So I'm not going to discuss about the support or resistance zone, which are classified as this buy or as a sell zone. First, what we're going to do is look at the price where it is trading, how far it has come. Why? Because this help us to shape up our view in terms of a gold price recent strength. So let me zoom out a little bit and then see what is the major trend. Now, when we zoom out on the daily time frame, what we see is that yes, there is no doubt that ever since the price touched that 1265 sort of a price level back in 2019, we have seen a major trend. A major trend which has pushed the prices all the way to the upside, that it made a new all-time high which was above that 2000 sort of a price level. But ever since, the price did kind of started to move lower, and then it made a lower low, another lower low, and another lower low. But when the price formed a lower low around these sort of a price levels, what we did see was that yes, the price sort of a bounced and it came back into the same area and it formed a pattern, what we call a double bottom right over here. This means that the price is no longer ready to fall any further from that particular price point. Why? Because traders believe that this is a good area of support. This is a good area of buy zone, if we can say that. Then that really started to push the markets higher. Now, why this particular area was classified as a sort of a buy zone was also because the RSI right over here, as you can see, was way oversold. What is oversold? A level of 30 is considered as oversold, and a level of 70 is considered as overbought, meaning whenever the price is in around these particular price levels, that means we are likely to see retracement and vice versa. Now, given the fact that we are here, we are in the area of above 70, we should be considering all sort of cautions when it comes to gold price. What do I mean by that? So let me look into that and then explain to you. So if you look at on the left hand side, this is a resistance level which we have mentioned in our previous videos when the price was trading in around early 1400s or 1500s. Now clearly the price has entered or is about to enter that important sort of a resistance zone, and that is going to likely to push the prices back to the downside, not to the upside, but likely to the downside. So we need to be very, very careful in taking any further new positions. Of course, if the price breaks above this particular zone, then we can certainly say that there is much more room left in this rally. Now, speaking of the room, speaking of the rally, we could see over here some important price points. What are those? This is first of all your 50-day simple moving average. Followed by that is your 100-day simple moving average, and then finally in green you have your 200-day simple moving average. The thing that we look at over here is the price continues to become more bullish and bullish. How? Because the 50-day simple moving average more recently crossed above the 100, and now it is also about to cross above the 200-day simple moving average, which sort of really confirm that the price is likely to continue to move to the upside. We are more likely to see higher gains for gold prices. But overall, when we look at the gold price, this remains our resistance, and this area right sort of over here is classified as our support zone. Now, as you know, that all of our support zone are classified by green lines, green horizontal line, and for that reason I'm going to change the color for this one as well. Now, quickly looking into a smaller term time frame such as the 4-hour time frame, again the bullish signs are there because the price is trading above the 50-day simple moving average. As long as I continue to remain in place, we have a bullish strength. The same goes for the 30-minute time frame as well. As long as the price stays above the 50-day simple moving average on the 30-minute time frame, we are likely to see more higher gains for the gold price. Now, of course, guys, if you like the content, if you like what we are talking about, please feel free to smash that like button and also subscribe. Why? Because markets do change, and that means you need to change your strategy accordingly. That's all for now, and I'll see you guys next time.